Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying the essentials: device in hand, stable network, and the recovery email or phone you set up. Once done, locate the last password you remember and any two-step verification device or backup codes, these speed verification. Make sure your system clock is correct and browser updated because timestamps affect tokens. Next, open accounts. Google.com/signin/recovery and follow prompts. This begins account ownership checks that prove why you should regain access. You'll proceed through layered checks. Enter the last password, then request a code to your recovery phone or email. Type it exactly. If prompted, select a recent device or location used to sign in. This signals legitimate activity. When asked about account creation details or commonly used apps, be specific. Accuracy increases chances of success. If a code isn't received, retry with SMS versus call. Make sure filters or carrier blocks aren't preventing delivery. Once verified, create a new strong, unique password and immediately review recovery options so you don't repeat this problem. Re-enable two-step verification and register an extra phone or authenticator app for redundancy. Check account activity and revoke unknown sessions. If recovery fails, don't panic. Wait 24 to 72 hours and retry using exact previous passwords and device details, because repeated incorrect info lowers success chance. As a final
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.